Hello, I am Ravi Nistala, founder of ProductRx. We offer simple cloud-based software solutions to businesses. The OpteriX workflow automation platform makes it easy to deliver highly customized software solutions to businesses rapidly. Our customers are established names in their industries, spread across the country, spanning domains such as HVAC, manufacturing, trading, exports, catering, and so on. Our customers have been successful in their business because they invested in systems from early on and they follow those systems diligently. But the systems were built on technologies available 10 or 20 years ago when the business started. For continued growth, they need systems which are more modern, more secure, more reliable, easy to operate, and hard to manipulate. The OpteriX workflow automation platform offers one such option. It's cloud based, which means you can access it from anywhere. It's customized, which means you are not forced to follow a process as the software defines, but you are free to follow the process that you have designed for your business and the system follows. Our support is entirely online. We offer our trainings on Zoom and any desk. There are training videos available, and our support is on WhatsApp or phone call. So we are just call away if your people need any support. These are some examples of solutions we have built. These are the more standard ones. For specific situations, we build specific solutions, such as how to develop a menu for a caterer or how to create a quotation for an exporter. Those are examples of specific solutions, and the platform is capable of delivering very specific, very custom solutions based on how you run your business. Now, let's look at some of the examples of the solutions we have provided and what challenges we seek to solve with this solution. Have you ever heard a salesperson say that they lost a sale because they did not respond to an inquiry or that they did not follow up on time? No, right? The more usual reasons for lost sales are the price was too high, the product was not right, or that the customer wanted a different brand. It's important to focus on the process of sale. That's why the OpteriX CRM offers ways to ensure 100% follow up on the inquiries. Any overdue follow ups are highlighted. Reasons for lost inquiries are tabulated so that the management can review the reasons for the lost inquiries and take corrective actions as required. Little pieces of copper elbows, etc., are not much, but when added together, they can make a dent in your profitability if they are not controlled properly. This is what our customers in the HVAC industry tell us. Therefore, we have built a system which is strong in terms of material management. Every item required in the project is controlled at every stage of the project, from sales to purchase to delivery to installation to billing. No item can be delivered in excess of what has been committed to the customer. Any excess must be first approved by the customer and then you can deliver that. At the end of the project, all unused items are highlighted to be returned to the company. It ensures that every item is accounted for, otherwise, it is returned. Otherwise, we know that there is a violation, there is a deviation, so that the suitable action can be taken sooner than later. Imagine today is the ship date for one of your important orders. The teams are preparing the items for their dispatch when it turns out that one or two items in the order were never filled. They are not available. And because of these one or two items, which may not be very large in quantity, they still hold the whole shipment. Similarly, there are situations where a whole production line has to stop because there are these one or two small but crucial items which go out of stock, stopping the complete production process. These are the stories I hear from manufacturers. OpteriX offers an inventory management system which is linked with production scheduling so that you can check readiness of an order to ship. You can check readiness of the factory to build an item based on the availability of the finished goods, availability of the raw materials, and so on. You can build dependencies to say that to build this finished good, these raw materials are required, so that you can plan for procurement of all the raw materials as required to complete a certain order. With a large customer base comes a large number of calls, complaints, service requests, and even sales inquiries. OpteriX, with its system of reports and reminders, helps you stay on top of the calls so that you can close them systematically. The technicians are tracked via GPS so that you can use their time most effectively while they are solving problems on the field. Those were some examples of OpteriX in action. If you find this relevant, please get in touch. It will be good to discuss how OpteriX can help in your specific business situations. Before we go, here's a brief about ProductRx. We started ProductRx in 2011 as a product management consulting company. In 2016, we started work on the OpteriX workflow automation platform. Today, we are expanding across industries and across geographies. Look forward to talking to you. Until then, goodbye.